Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. In today's video, we are going to learn how to turn off hints in Candy Crush Soda. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Candy Crush Soda. Then after, over here you can see the option of settings. Tap on it. Over here you can again tap on the wheel icon. Tap on it. A gear icon you can see. Tap on it. There you can see the option of settings, general and audio. Go to general. It automatically opens to general, and over here you can see the option of remove hint, turn off hint suggestion move. Here you can see it, so tap it off. There you go, you have completed removing hints. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.